Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your Sony WH-1000XM5 automatically when you speak. So in order to do this, we'll need to have the Sony Headphones Connect app downloaded, and we need this headphone set up on this app as well. Now enable them and move to the sound. Right here you can find Speak to Chat. I already have this enabled. And that way, when you start a conversation or something like that, you just simply speak. Your headphones will volume down the music in order to help you with conversation. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.